Alright, I just got out of the shower. And take a look at this. This always happens to my hands. They always get extremely wrinkly. Most of my friends say that this doesn't happen to them. But I just came out of the shower. Doors open. And what do we have here? Steam. And look at the walls. So, this fan is way undersized for this bathroom. Way undersized. I usually leave this door open like this. Yeah, hold on a second. Whoopsie. Oh yeah, my feet do it too. My feet get wrinkly too. Very wrinkly. And apparently, it helps you get more grip. Which doesn't make sense, but look. See how wrinkly they are? Ew. But anyways, watch this. I'm going to... Ow! Grab a Kleenex. To show that it is actually... Ow, that's my foot. Okay? Watch. Watch this. Are you watching? See that? See how it grabs it? So it is really... It is... going. But it's just not strong enough, not big enough for this bathroom. So, yeah. All right, that's it. Bye.